Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Mahaprusty from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution, Nevada. Students, today I am going to the last video lecture, that is our 8th video lecture of class 10, that is our managing a file or folders. So today we will discuss how to manage file or folders. Yesterday videos, in the last video we have already discussed same thing, how to manage file or folder. That means some parts we have already discussed and other parts which will be completed today of the chapter 1 unit 3 today will complete. Okay students, that is our students, the topic is same, managing file or folders. Managing file or folders. Okay students, now come to the our topic. We'll discuss. Okay students, the first one is your today's is your copying file or copying file or folder. Okay student, copying means what? To copy the file or folder from one location to another location, or it will displace from one location to another location with duplicate. That means we can easily create the duplicate file from one place to another place, one location to another location. Okay student, that means that is our copy. That means student, when you are giving the exam, okay, that means one of the student they are cheating, means copy from other student. That means what of the other students has written you are copy. That means the answer and your answer will be the same, that is your copy. That means the same content of the question will be same of between the 2 or 3 students, that is your copy. The same thing, if I want to make a duplicate file or folder, that is your copy, and that one will be the what student, from one location to another location. Okay, that means I want to place the file from one place to another place. Okay, that means make a duplicate file from one location to another location. Okay student, then how to copy the file or folder, that is also one part of the managing file or folder. So student, there are different steps. Okay student, the step 1, okay student, first of all select file or folder. Select file or folder. Is that clear student? The second step, okay student, the second step, go to organize menu, okay student, go to organize menu, from organize menu, then click on copy option. Now the file or folder is copied. Is that clear student? After copying this one, in the step 3, choose the place where we want to paste. Okay student, where we want to paste. Okay student, then step 4 are same as the student what? Step 2, okay, same. Go to organize menu, then click on paste option. Click on paste option. Okay, student. So in this way you can copy the file or folder from one place to another place. And if you want to make the shortcut key is used for copy paste, that was copy for the what student, Control plus C and paste for the Control plus V. Or also we can do like this also. Select the file, right click on the copy option, then go to choose the location where you want to paste, and again right click on the paste option. Okay, student. So in this way there are three ways you can do the copy and paste. Okay, student. Is that clear or not? So in this way the one of the managing file or folder completed. Okay, student. Next we will discuss, student. Next one we will discuss in place of the copying, student. In place of the copying we will discuss the word moving. Okay, student. Next we will discuss the moving. Okay. Moving file or folder. The moving file or folder means, student, what? Same. Take the file or folder from one place to another place without duplicate. That means once you move from one place to another place, from the original place it will be deleted and it will be pasted into the another place. That means in the moving case, no one can be what? Duplicate made. Okay, student. So we cannot make the duplicate, but we can easily move. Okay, student. No need to type, no need to write. Okay. So simply, if you want to move any of the file from one place to another place, better to use the cut and paste. Moving file or folder means cut and paste. Is that clear, student? The moving means, student, what? Moving means cut and paste. Cut and paste. Is that clear? Cut and paste. That means once you cut, that means from the original place it will be deleted. Where it will be paste, that file or folder will be placed here and you cannot make the duplicate. Is that clear, student? That you are moving. Okay. Then how to move? The same. Step 1, select file or folder. Then go to organize menu. Same thing, student. In place of the copy, just you write the cut option. Is that clear? Click on the cut option. Again choose the place where you want to paste. And go to organize menu and paste option. That means copying the file folder, moving file folder. Both are all the steps are same except the step 2, that is this one. In place of the copy, only write the cut and the rest of the steps are same. Is that clear? Or also the cut for the shortcut key for the cut is a Control plus X and paste, you know very well that one. Or also select, right click on the cut option, choose the place or location, again right click and click on the paste option. So in this way, student, we can easily move the file or folder from one place to another place without duplicate. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? The student, in this way, another way to manage file or folder completed. Is that clear? The next one is the student one. Next one is here. The third one, deleting file or folder. Deleting file or folder. Deleting file or folder. Then that is also one part of the what, student? Managing file or folder. Then how to delete? Student, we can delete. There are two methods. One, delete for the permanently delete from your computer. And another delete also is possible. You can delete, but still it has stored in the computer. You can restore that one. If you have deleted permanently, then it cannot be restored. If you are deleted and it will be stored in the recycle bin, then you can restore it. Is that clear or not? The student, if for the deleting, if you do like this, shift plus del key, so it will be permanent delete. It will be what, student? Permanent delete. Permanent delete. Is that clear? Simpler way, permanent delete. Is that clear or not? Is that clear? If you do the what? Right click then delete, then it will be placed in where? Recycling bin. Is that clear or not, student? So student, how to delete any of the file or folder? So first of all, the step 1, same, select file or folder. Okay, student. Then step 2, right click, and click on delete, and click on delete option. So then what will happen? The file or folder will be deleted from that place, from that location, and it will be placed in where? Recycling bin. Okay, student. That means the delete means which type of the files we want to delete on wanted or needed. Those files and folders are not needed for us. Is that clear? That means we don't want to use that file or folder. Then why we keep that file or folder in the particular place or location? So better to delete that one. Yes or no? So student, if you want to permanently delete, then shift plus delete. Okay, student. If you want to delete from your location, but it will be placed in any other, means recyclable, then better to right click, yeah, only delete. Okay, student. So in this way you can delete your file or folder. Okay, student. After deleting, student, sometimes we need that file again. We want to need to open that one and to operate and to watch it and see it. Then what we do in that situation, student? So that process is called the student. That process is the restore. That is your restore file or folder. Okay, student. Restore file or folder. Okay. Then that means those deleted files are stored in the recycle bin. That type of the files we can restore. Remember, which type of the files we can restore, student? Means once we delete, I want to restore. That means which type of the file we can? Those files are stored in the recycle bin. That type of the files or folder can be restored. Otherwise, we cannot restore. So student, the permanent deleted file we cannot restore. The temporarily delete means those file and folders have deleted from any of the location and will be placed in the recycling bin. That type of the deleted file or folder we can restore. Then how to restore, student? How to restore? So it is very simple, student. The student, first of all, go to recycling bin. Go to recycling bin. Okay, student. Then next one is your right click on there. Go to recycling bin and right click on file or folder for restoring. Okay, student. And step 3, click on restore. Okay, student, and click on the restore. It will be restored. Okay, where we want to keep. Once you click on the restore, means what? And again come to the location, choose the location. It will what? In that location it will be restored. Okay. Or another method, this one, student. What? Very simple. Click on the what, student? select the file or folder. Okay, go to the recycle bin, select. Then from the tools bar, click on the what student? Restore of the location. Okay, restore of the location. Again it will be restored. So which one is the better to remember? You remember that one. Is that clear, student? So in this way you can restore. Okay, student. The last one is the student what? Open file and folder. The last one is the student. Fifth one. Open file or folder. So student, open file or folder. Then how to open? It is very simple. First of all, select and double click. Yes or no? Once you double click, the pre-formatted or those file extensions have those files have saved in the extension, that of the extension file will be what, student? Open. Is that clear or not? If the file of the extension .xlsx, when you click on there, the Excel file will be open. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear or not? If PPT, the PPT file will be open. Double click on that, select and double click, it will be open. Okay. If student double click, then what, student? The default application program, the default program will be open. When you double click on the file, the default program, that means which extensions are created already, that extension file of the folder will be open. Is that clear? Student, if you want to open, if you have created XLS but you want to open the other file format, then what will you do in that situation? Right click on that file or folder. Okay, student, and click on the open with option. If you want to open of the other file format from the default format, so in that situation, what will we do, student? We will do for that, right click, okay, student, on the file or folder, then click on the open with option and choose the program list and choose the program or choose the software on which you want to open. Okay, student, and click on the OK button. Then what will you see? You have created one of the file extension and open with the other file extension. Okay, students, the question will may come, write the steps to open the file of the default file to other file extension. Okay, students, then what will you write the answer? Right click on the file or folder or file, click on the open with option, choose the software on which you want to open and click on the OK. You see the default file program will be opened in the other file extension format. Is that clear, student? So in this way we can open either default file you can open. If you want to default file you want to open, then very simple, double click. Okay, student. If you want to change the file extension for opening the file, then right click on the open with and choose the software program. Is that clear? In this way we can open. Is that clear, student? So student, now we complete all the managing file and folder. The unit 3 chapter 1 chapter complete. Is that clear, student? So let's again you see the video from video 1 to video 8. Okay, student, and make the exercise question. And your homework is for this video is what? In how many ways or write the steps of different ways to move file or folder. First question, write the different ways to move a file or folder. Second question, in how many ways we can delete a file or folder? How many ways we can delete file or folder? Okay, student. And last question is the student what? Write the steps to open a default file program to open of other file extension. Okay, write the steps to open a default file extension to other file extension. Okay, in this way 3 questions you write and show me. Is that clear, student? That's it.